I've been waiting for this bad boy all day. Let's just not show that. But yeah, I've been waiting for this all freaking day for like 3 days. Yo, what's up everybody? Andrew Howard, A Howard A, hanging with you guys. I got something in the mail today. But yeah, let's open this box up. Well yeah, I hope this is packed right and works right when I open it. I love the notes you get when you get stuff. They say thank you for your business. I love this because I don't know. I mean, just when people put personal notes on it, I love when they put that kind of stuff inside of this. Kind of makes it's personalized. You know what I mean? It's a Canon 24mm EFS 2.8 STM. So if you can't guess what else is going to be in this, well, let's just show you what else I got. It is the EOS 70D by Canon. I'm so excited for this. Oh, I can't wait to open these. This is going to be so much fun. I feel like a kid on Christmas right now because, like, this is something I bought for myself. And it's just like, oh my god, it feels like Christmas, but it's not Christmas because I bought it for myself. You know what I mean? But it's basically Christmas for me. Alright, so let's dive right into the Canon 70D. I get some CDs, I guess. Get some instruction manuals, solution disc. Camo strap? Man, it's even got the bag in it. Sweet. One of the charger plates. Said it came with three batteries, so there's 2 batteries. There's the other battery and the charger. Oh, I guess there's another rapid wall charger, so I guess this is another charger. So I guess this just goes right onto here. Yeah, so I guess it's just another charger. And 2 things I've been waiting for. Now there's the body. Here's the Canon 70D body. Let's take it out. My first actual camera, like full-fledged DSLR. Man, this thing is beautiful. Look at it. Just look at it. It's a pretty hefty body too. There we go. Put this in there. Oh, I hope there's some charge on this. And there is. Isn't that beautiful looking? The Canon 70D. Slap a lens on there, and look at this bad boy. Just kept off. Too much. That is the Canon EOS 70D, and this is I don't know if this is Mark II or Mark 1. It's the 70W. I'm not sure if that's the Mark 1 or Mark 2. And then let's put this to the side. Yeah, look at that. I'm just gonna show you guys how beautiful that is. Oh, that looks so awesome. So excited to use this. First real camera, like an actual DSLR that I own. The only thing I've really owned is my phone that I'm using right here, the iPhone 5S. So let's switch over to the Canon 70D and see how that works with talking to you guys. Sweet. Now, hey, what's up everybody? I'm actually on the Canon 70D now. Looks pretty good. Set up on a Gorilla Pod, so let's see if this is set up on the table I have here. And I still have the 1K kit, which really only supports 1 kilogram. And this thing weighs a lot more than 1 kilogram. Let's see, how much does it weigh? Is there a weight on this? Doesn't tell me. I'm pretty sure it weighs more than 1 kilogram. It's pretty sweet because it actually has high definition. You know what I mean? High definition. Like, look, the stuff behind here is blurry, and I'm sure you guys can hear me a lot better than on this thing. Yeah, this is what I've been shooting with for the past few videos, and then I've finally bought this, the Canon 70D, and I'm telling you, this thing is so nice, and the crispness. So, like, when you're looking, if you see me looking over there, looking at myself to make sure I'm still in full view of you guys. But yeah, this is sweet. You can see when I get closer and closer how the autofocus works onto my face, and out behind me, like right around here, is blurred out a little bit. Looks so much better than what this thing looked like. This thing, absolutely atrocious. The highest this goes, I think, is 720p on this back one, and then on the front one, it's 540. Oh, or 480, 540 or 480, one of the two. But I'm telling you, that was terrible. This is so much better. But I still have another lens. Let's look at that other lens. Look at all this crap on here. Let's look at all this crap on here. Let's just move this out the way. I have a whole tray right here. I can just put stuff. Okay, now let's start with the 24mm by Canon. It is the f2.8, so the f-stop's 2.8. Hopefully one day I'll be able to get a 50mm that's 1.8. I mean, because the 1.2 is insanely pricey, but it has the stepper technology motor. It's kind of quieter for like the autofocus that this 70D has. So let's open it up. I love this. This is pretty. It feels like freaking Christmas. What's this? This is wrapper about everything for this 24 thing, but we don't care about that right now. We just want to see the lens. Man, it has everything in there. So let's check out this lens. I love when they put bubble wrap. You know what? Some of it's already popped too. That's just lame. We have the Canon 24mm. Oh man, this thing's like a pancake. Look how thin that is. Like look at my thumb. It's like not as wide as my thumb either. So let's slap this on here right now. All right, now we are back, and this is the kit lens. This is the 18 to 55mm, and what you're seeing I'm using right now is the 24mm. I kind of like it. I love this lens, the 24mm, and I love this camera. This camera's awesome. Alright everybody, well that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at the Canon 70D. It's pretty awesome. I'll have some in-depth video of what it does and more about it coming up soon, so be listening and stay tuned.